Hi everyone, I am Stacey. Welcome to schoolkids.com. Today we are going to discussing about the topic evaporation. We all know that matter can exist in three states, that is solid, liquid, gas. The particles in solid, liquid, gas have high kinetic energy at any temperature. In liquids, a definite particle in surface have kinetic energy and break away from the force of attraction between particles and change into liquid to vapor. Okay, this is that the particle in the surface of liquid have high kinetic energy. How they get high kinetic energy? We know that the particles of liquid are arranged spirally. They have more space between particles than solids. The particles attract each other also. So we take this particle, the force of attraction between particles in every side. In the surface, this particle have only attract from the downwards or all through the walls of the container. So as we compare to the inner particles, the particles in the surface have high kinetic energy. So they can easy to move and break the force of attraction between the particles and convert it into vapor. The phenomenon of changing liquid to vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is known as evaporation. Okay. What is the difference between evaporation and vaporization? Evaporation takes place at any temperature below its boiling point. Okay. Vaporization takes place its boiling point. That is the difference between evaporation and vaporization. Next, we go on to discussing about the factors affecting evaporation. Four factors affecting to the evaporation. First one is surface area. Second one is temperature. Third one is humidity. Fourth one is speed of the wind. First one is surface area. We take 5 ml of water in a china dish and a test tube and place it in an open area. Observe how the time takes to evaporate. The water will change into vapor in test tube. Take time near 1 hour. In china dish, the time takes is nearly half an hour. That is the time difference to evaporate. So we can conclude that surface area increases, evaporation also increases. Next will be the temperature. If we apply temperature onto the particle, they get more energy and kinetic energy. They can easily break away the force of attraction between the particle and get into vapor. So, temperature increases, evaporation also increases. Third one is humidity. What is humidity? Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in air at a given temperature. The air cannot hold more than a definite amount of water vapor at a given temperature. So, humidity increases, evaporation decreases. Okay? Humidity increases, evaporation decreases. The fourth one is that speed of wind. The clothes dry faster in windy days. What will happen there? The water particles move away with the wind. So humidity is less in that area. So evaporation takes place faster. So speed of wind increases. Speed of wind increases. Evaporation also increases. Here the surface area, temperature and speed of wind is directly proportional to the rate of evaporation and humidity is inversely proportional to the rate of diffusion. Okay? That's all. When evaporation takes place, we can feel cool. That means evaporation causes cooling. Feel of cooling. What will happen there? The liquids in the surface area absorb energy from surroundings and change liquid to vapor. That is evaporation. Here the liquid particles in the surface absorb energy from the surroundings. So surroundings lost some energy. This makes surroundings cool. For example, acetone particles take in our hands. They absorb energy from our palm. We can feel cool. Another application is that we sprinkle water in our roofs or open grounds. We can feel cool. The particles absorb energy from the surroundings to convert liquid to vapor. So we can feel cool. Another application is that we wear cotton clothes in summer. What will happen here? The cotton clothes are good absorber of water. So they absorb water from our body and expose to surroundings. Easy to vapor. Evaporation takes place. Okay. The heat energy is equal to absorbed is equal to the latent heat of vaporization. Okay. Another point is discussed over here is that we take an ice cold water in a tumbler. We can see water droplets outside of the tumbler. What will happen here? The water vapor has contact with the ice cold water in tumbler and they lose their energy and converted into the liquid state. That is the water vapor lose energy and change the state to liquid. Okay. These are the points we discussed today. What is evaporation? Factors affecting evaporation. What are the 4 factors affecting evaporation? That is surface area, humidity, temperature and wind speed. The surface area, temperature and wind speed is directly proportional to evaporation and humidity is inversely proportional to evaporation. Thank you.